Hello team, so this is the e-commerce platform which I'm going to show you. So here you can check categories. Here we created some category and subcategory. Here you can check. After that you can check all types of brand. So which types of brand you are selling, you can set list your brand data here. And then whenever user come, then they can search brand and they can buy any product, search by brand. After that here you can check discounted product. All vendors data, they can check it here. Your vendor can easily register or log in by here. They just need to add some data, then they can easily register or sign up. Okay, or login can. After this is a wish list, so user can easily add any product in wish list. After the user can easily log in. Here you can check cart value. After that here you can check the product data. Okay, if I'm opening any product, then you can check the product name, real price, quantity. User can easily buy or add to cart. Here you can visit any store. Here you can check reviews and overview. Or these are some other products. If you click on open any product, then that data will come also here. Okay, so this is the front end which I already show you. Okay, now let me show you other login as well. So let me show you the user login. Just allow me a few seconds. Okay, so I'm logging with the user panel. This is some user ID password which we have created for demo purpose. Yeah, so I log in as a user. So here you can check your cart value. Here you can check your orders and on my profile, so you can set up this. Here you can check my orders, so how much orders you have delivered, pending, complete, and out of it. You can check that data here. After that you can manage your wish list. This is your wallet, so you can manage wallet or you can add to fund. Inbox we have address, support ticket and all, you can manage that. So if you are facing any issue, so you can create multiple tickets here. Here you can manage coupons and tag orders. Okay, now let me show you the vendor login as well. So how vendor can add product or what vendor will look on other things. Just allow me a second. Let me log in as a vendor. So this is the vendor panel. So here you can check dashboard like order analyze, vendor wallet. The vendor can easily withdraw amount. Here you can check how much vendor amount is on pending. Here you can already withdraw, tax given and all. You can manage that. Here you can check product data, earning statics, most popular product, top selling product. After that here you can manage all types of orders, refund request, products. So here you can check product list. So these are product data, which product you had created. So here you can check product, you can add it as well or you can manage other things. Here you can check approve, new product request and all. You can easily import. Here you can check product review. Just allow me a second. After that we have a coupon. So here you can manage coupons, so you can create any coupon for any user can easily use those coupon for any discount. Here are you can check inbox, customer inbox and deliver, so user can easily chat with you if they are facing any issue, so they can connect with you and they can chat with you. After that here you can manage the reports like transaction reports we have, so you can manage transaction reports. Okay, after that product report we have, order report we have. Here you can manage your withdrawal, bank information, or these are some shop information. Okay, now let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel which I am going to show you now. Okay, in this here you can check all types of data. Let me show you one by all the things, like these are dashboards. Here you can check order, how much stores we have, how much product customers we have, admin wallets, you can manage that, order statics, you can check overview and all, you can manage that. After that we have a POS, so you can sell your own product by POS as well. After that we have orders, so all types of order will come here. Refund request you can check here. After that these are some category, so you can set up multiple category like grocery, home, kitchen, TV, appliance, furniture and all. in which category you are selling your product, so you can set up your own category, subcategory. After that we have a brand, so you can set up your brand. After that we have multi types of attributes like size, weight and color. So these are attributes, you can set up your attributes. So this is the house product list. So we have two types of panel, like admin can also sell own product, or your vendor can also sell products. So in house, this is your own product. So here you can check all the things. Here you can edit, you can delete, or you can manage all the things like barcode and all. Here if you click on add new product, so you can create multiple products. Like here you can set up your category, brand, price. So here you can manage color, size and weight, you can manage that. Here you can set up your images. Here you can set up your video link, like product video link. You can manage all the things. Here you can import as well. After that, these are vendor products. So whenever vendor add any product that will come in request, then you just active that product, then that product will live. You can deny as well. Here you can manage your product gallery. After that we have a banner setup. So here you can create multiple banner. These banner will come in applications and front end. So it's clickable also. So you can set up your URL. So whenever anyone can click on any banner, that URL will hit, and then that user will go on same URL which URL you had pasted here. Okay. After that we have offers. So here you can set up your coupons, flash deals, deal of the day, feature deal. After that we have a notification. So here you can set up notification, push notification. After that you can manage announcement. These are help and support like message, support ticket and all. You can manage that. So here you can check your inbox, messages you can check. After that we have support tickets, so you can check tickets, or you can view, or you can answer that. After the sales and transaction reports, so you can manage all types of reports. Product reports we have, so you can manage all types of product reports, order reports. After that we have a customer list. So here you can check customer list. If you click on customer, then that you can check how much orders you had that customer has done, so that data also will come here, and other data. After that customer review, you can check customers wallet bonus setup and all, you can manage that. After that we have a vendor list. So here you can check vendor list. If you click, let me show you different one. Yeah, this one. So this is a vendor login. Here you can check vendor wallet, vendors related orders, vendors related product, vendors related some setting like commission, GST number, and vendor POS. Here you can check transaction and reviews. After that withdrawal request or withdrawal method will come here. After the delivery man, you can set up employee. So here you can set up your own employee. Employee can easily use your solution to manage your solution. Like you can add your product management person, so you can give permission related to order and product, so they can manage that like that. Here you can set up employee. You can create multiple employee. You can give ID password to them. With those ID password, they can easily log in. Here you can set up role. Here you can check subscribers. Here you can check some setting, like here you can set up your time zones, latitude, longitude. Here you can set up your currency. Here are like forget password verification by email or phone. Here you can manage business model. So in currently we are working with only single vendor. That in future if you want to go in multi vendor, then you can use like that features, or email verification, OTP verifications we have and all. After that we have a payment options. So here you can set up your payments like cash on delivery, digital. Here product we have, priority we have, orders we have. So here you can set up orders. Here you can manage your vendors, so like default commission and all. Customers, so these are some data related to customers, delivery man, shipping method and all, you can manage that. This is some data like in-house products, so you can set up like minimum order amount, free delivery over amount and all. You can set up these things. After that here you can set up app setting, like you can set up your app link. Here you can set up your languages, currency and some cookies and all. So here you can set up login, hit like how much maximum or login hit was there, login URL you can set up, themes and add-ons, so you can set up. We currently have 2 themes, so you can use any theme. Which themes are you feeling comfortable, you can use any. Currently we are using this. You can set up this theme also if you want. After that email template, we have sub APIs. So currently we are using these gateway like PayPal, we have Stripe, Razorpay, SSL Commerce, Paytm, and we have many more. So you can use any one. You just need to add key, then it will be work for you. So here you can set up your social media chat, social media login. We are using SMTP or SendGate for mail. SMS we have, so you can set up like two-factor message 91 and Twilio, Nexmo, reCAPTCHA we have, Google Map API we have, so here you can set up Google Map API and all. We have some pages also, you can set up your pages and all. So I already show you the complete demo. So if you have any query or doubts, you can connect with us. I will try to help you. Thank you.